Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Mary, at DreamyMM on Instagram. This collab is hosted by Tinkerbell, 1970s, and Diana. I'm sorry it went by too quick. I started off with Baby Girl Lacquers Peel Off and Not a Cloud in Sight by L'Oreal. This is an old polish. It's kind of a turquoise color. And that's what I was going for. Her birthstone could be one of many birthstones, and I kind of went with the turquoise for the base, and I'm going to make them look like turquoise nails, and then I'm going to use a little bit of blue sapphire for my accent nail. So I'm going to go in with 2 coats of this. Like I said, this is a really old polish. I couldn't even tell you how old. 5, 6, 7 years ago. I don't know. This is really old, but it's still good. I'm going to be using INM's Out the Door as my base, my top coat. Y'all, I'm just struggling today. I don't know what is wrong with my brain. So I'm going to use that to get everything to dry down. Okay, cap that free edge. And there's a swatch photo on its own. I'll be using Maniology MXM022. Couple of AliExpress stampers, my Maniology scraper, and Maniology Gold Rush, as well as Braised Diva Shutout. And this is one of those layering plates, but I'm not really layering it. I kind of am, but not really. I'm going to do some advanced stamping. I'm going to pick this image up, and I'm going to clean up that excess with a piece of tape. Get that all cleaned up. Even that little spot in the middle, I'm going to be real careful. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, you got it. And then I'm going to use the KB Shimmer. And this was from the Birthstone collection. And this is Blue Topaz. I said Sapphire earlier. I am so sorry. But Blue Topaz. And I'm going to fill it in with this Maniology 101 detail brush. I love this brush. I haven't used it a ton, but every time I use it, I feel more confident using a detail brush. It's really going really well. So I kind of wanted to make this look like a gem on that accent nail. And kind of, got to have some bling, some little something extra. Just trying to make sure I get all the way to the edges with all of it. And it's just stunning. Now, I do believe these polishes from KB Shimmer that are really old also are starting to change color. Some of them are looking a little different than I remember. I am cleaning that plate off with some acetone so that we can continue on. Now on the other side is these full images, and I thought that they looked like the cracks in, turquoise. So I'm using gold and white that I showed you earlier, and I'm going to just go over the nails with them for my turquoise looking nails, cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller. And then since this image is really big, I'm going to go ahead and just move up to the top part and do the same, do some dots of the colors down so that I can get a mixture of colors once I scrape. And I'm going to pick that up and apply it to the nail. Alright, I had a little bit left over, so I'm just going to continue on and put it on the next nail. And there we go. Now, the prompt for this collab was blue and white nails. And I tried to stick with that using the turquoise blue and the white within this. I wasn't really trying to break the rules, but I really wanted to do, her birthstones, her birthstone colors. So you can see I keep using the excess, like if I'd keep my finger in frame, but anything left on the stamper, I'm putting it on those nails. I'm just using it. Love a design like this. And now I'm going to go back in and pull the bottom portion of this image for my accent nail to go under the one that I filled in with the other colors, or the other color, the Blue Topaz. And I'm going to line that up and try to get it as centered as I can. And you're not really going to see that, but it's going to help pop a little bit, help hold that design up. I'll be using this Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls as my sticky base. Since everything else is pretty much dry, and I really wanted to make sure those fine lines on the stamped, reverse stamped image gets transferred as well. The white around the edge, the oval. I'm going to try to line that up. And I didn't do it just dead on perfect, but it's okay. I still really, really loved it. I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do a little bit of cleaning up real quick. Wasn't a whole lot of mess to clean up this time, and I like that. I am going to use the smudge-free top coat over everything. I don't want any of this to smear. I would be so upset. And we're even going to go over this one, because the top paint was what was flat on the stamper, so it could still smear. And once that's dry, I'll be using the Posh top coat and cover it all in. So I do hope Miss Mary has a wonderful birthday. If I can get a list of all the participants on Instagram, I will list them down in the description box. They might not be there immediately when I post, but later I'll go back and add them to it. So if you want to go check out the other ladies that participated in this. Ta-da! So there's my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. I want you to go check everybody out. I want to thank the ladies for hosting this. Until next time, be good to yourself.